Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Cru Edu. I'm Brittany, one of the animal ambassador keepers here at the zoo, and today you get a glimpse of just what I do all day long. So I'm sure you guys are wondering, what is an animal ambassador keeper? Well, an animal ambassador keeper takes care of the animals here at the zoo. We prep their diets, make sure that everyone is happy and healthy, and teach the public, or you guys, about the importance of animals and their role in the world. Now, it's our job to make sure that these animals within our department are up to the task of educating you guys each and every day. So therefore, we perform wellness checks and we make sure that we understand each of their individual behaviors, make sure they're ready to go. So what do we do all day? Well, before we get into that, let's talk about what an animal ambassador Animal ambassadors have a very important job. They are tasked with educating and enriching our guests every day. So, what is an animal ambassador? As you can see here, we have different types. We have mammals and birds and even reptiles. And they are tasked with getting to know you guys and letting you meet them. So back to what animal ambassador keepers actually do all day. It's not just playing and hanging out with the animals. We have a long list of things we have to get done by clock out time. So we check on each and every animal, make sure they're happy and healthy. We prep all of their diets, make sure that every single animal has fresh water, fresh food, and even making sure that they have fun things or new things in their enclosures to enrich their lives. And then once all of that is done, we get to train and then educate you guys about what animal ambassador is. Let's talk about food. Now, if you're like me, food is a very important part of the day, right? Same thing with our animals. Each and every diet is handmade for each animal, and their diets are very precise. We make sure that every single animal has the proper nutrients, vitamins, and calories to lead a very healthy life. And as you can tell through all these pictures, every diet is a little bit different than the one before. Now, zookeeping is a very dirty job. There's a lot of cleaning and a lot of getting your hands dirty, but also we have some fun too. Giving our animals enrichment is a big part of our day, and I can tell you right now, all of the keepers love this part. Now, enrichment can come in different forms. We can do scents, we can do tactile enrichment, forage feeders. Sometimes a pile of hay is the best enrichment. As you can see in all these pictures, enrichment comes in different shapes and sizes, just like our animals, and we cater to each of the animals and their needs. So one of my favorite parts of the day is training. Training is a way for us to get one-on-one interaction time with the animals. It also allows us to bond and also learn the individual personalities. We actually have a little training clip of Kevin Bacon working on behaviors here. Now, these behaviors are all natural behaviors that they would do naturally. We just captured them and added a reward. It helps us teach you guys, the public and the guest, about the animals and the cool characteristics that they have in the wild. Like how lemurs can jump, how owls can fly, even how smart pigs really are. So it really allows us to show y'all just how important the animals are out in the wild. My other favorite part of this job is having the chance to get out into the community. Having the opportunity to bring some of the animal ambassadors out into the classroom or out to different outreach programs is an amazing experience because we get to bring a small portion of our zoo out to you guys. Not only do we get to bring you a piece of the zoo, but we get to bring you our knowledge as well. So having the opportunity to come out and teach you guys is a very rewarding experience for all of us. So we get asked every single day, why do we do what we do? Well, obviously as animal ambassador keepers, we love animals, but that's just a piece of it. We do what we do because of our guests and the public. Learning that we have touched you guys or taught you something new makes it worth it for us. Seeing a little kid excited that he found out that snakes aren't scary or they're not slimy, or finding out that porcupines don't shoot their quills makes it worth it to us. So thank you to you guys for giving us the opportunity to teach you and enrich your lives every single day.